Hello everybody, how are you? Hope everyone's fine. I had to come on and just show you what I've got in the celebrations pre-order and the new mini catalogue. I haven't even opened this yet, so let's have a look. And I can't even remember what I've ordered. So, new celebrations, catalogues, and the new mini catalogues. Delivering chairs. Look how nice this is. What a nice set. Can't wait to do teachers' cards with this, which would be really good. Or you could use it for anything really. Joyful Life. Another cute set. How cute is he? Or she? Yeah, cute. That's another good set that I'm gonna enjoy using. Very cute. Right, what is this? Like I said, I can't even remember what I've ordered. I don't know what goes with what. Oh, how nice are they? Wow. So that goes with this one. Merry Snowflakes. What a beautiful set. And obviously this is the red rubber. Very nice. Very nice set. And then I've also ordered Bedazzled. Bedazzling. Let's see how these look. So this is 6x6 and you get, what did you get? 8. Look how nice, that's what the back looks like. Look how nice that looks. Wow. That'd be nice for doing people's names. I could use it for so many different things I can think of already. Wow, that is really nice. But this is look, this, I think that goes with that one, this one here. Wow, look how nice that is. That's a nice frame to go on a card. So that goes with this Meritus Moments. It's really nice. And then also you have the embossing folder. Look how nice that is. Wow. That is really nice. I'll play with that in a minute. Right. This was one of the celebrations. Penguin's Place. This is so cute. And also I have got the matching punch to go with it. Woohoo! That is so cool. I'm going to enjoy using this. This is Claire. Very nice. Then we've also got, oh, my phone. I've got some dots. They're nice colours. got some, oh gosh, that ribbon's nice. How nice is that ribbon? Gosh, that ribbon is so nice. Look how nice that is. Oh my gosh, I love it. That is so nice. That is nice. And then we've got this pink. I'm so bad at opening ribbons. That is nice as well. This is so different from what I usually use. That is nice. That's really pretty. Oh, then this is so new. Jolly felt. I thought, do you know what, Ben, just give it a go. Just try it and see what you can do with it. Oh, that's what I did. Can't wait to have a little play. But yeah, got some felt. Think of a few things I can do with this. But yeah, I'm looking forward to using that. So it's quite big. 4 colours. So yeah, that's very nice. Then we've got some designer series paper. So this one is beautiful pendles. So you got 4 of each. So there's 3 patterns with 4 of each in there. So that's one side, and then that's the other side. Very nice. Then I've also got this Good and Wonderful. I really like these colours. This colour is, I know it's not typical Christmas kind of colours, but you know, you can be different. So this is 2 of each. Look how nice that is. So you've got this with that on the back. It's pretty. This one with that on the back. Some Christmas trees with that on the back. Presents on the back. Some lines. Green on the back. So if you don't really like, you can obviously go to the back. But they're both sides are really nice. And that's on the back. And then we've also got, we've got quite a few. Peaceful Prince. So we've got typical Christmas kind of colours. So reindeers, deer on the back. Black snowflakes. And we've got red on the back. Christmas trees. What a nice colour. This is really nice. This is a nice colour as well. That's really nice. I like that colour. And then the last 2 packs, Peaceful Place. Oh, how nice is that? Can you see the shimmer on them snowflakes falling from the sky? That is so nice. That is nice. And the back. Oh, this is nice as well, and I like the way that it's cut into. You can cut it into 4 cards already. That is not. I like that. Back. Look, see the shimmer again. Oh, this is even nicer than it looked in the catalogue. Wow. Wow, this is so nice. Oh, that side's nice as well. Don't you hate it when you like both sides and you're like, what side do I use? Oh, wow. Oh, that's nice. And then this, that's nice as well. Take a few cards out of that one. And my last pack, Penguins Playmates. So this goes with the penguin, well, it can go with the penguin set from the beginning. How cute is this? How cute is that? That is so adorable. Oh, Christmas cards are going to be so much fun to make. I can see myself getting another pack of this. That is so cool. What a joyful set. Designer series papers. Wow. And that is it for my unboxing. Everything's falling. But what I want to do is quickly have a look at this, because that is so cool. And I want to show you guys. Everything's falling. Desk is usually a mess, so nothing new there. Oh, I don't know if I've got anything here. Oh, I don't know where. Oh, got it. Right, so I've only just got this, and I've got to say it is brilliant. So this is the big one, and the mini one. Which is here, which is so cute. So this is the mini one, this is the big one. Right, so let's open her up. Let's call it a her. Right, and I love this because it tells you, because I had no clue what I was doing because I'm so used to my old machine. And I love that it tells you what you need to do. So I put this in, I get 4, and I get 2 ones, and I get my embossing folder, and then I need some paper, which I'll find in a minute. Where's paper? You would think I'd be more organised, but I've only just thought that I'll quickly just see how this looks. Oh, here we go. There we go. Right, so let's put this in here. Let's sandwich you up. Okay, I'll just use 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Okay. Then I put it through. Oh, so easy to use. Oh, that's like a dream. Take take it out and let's have a look. Oh, that is just pure loveliness. Oh, look how nice that looks. Yeah, so I just wanted to quickly show you this new machine as well, to show you how nice it is. But that was just a quick unboxing, just to show you what I got, and if you like a free catalogue, just let me know and I can easily post one out to you. So yeah, the catalogue will be out in July. Out now. Thanks guys. Goodbye for now.